Hey gang, and thank you for joining us on this quick tutorial of a new feature of our website called AutoGang. Transfer Gang's magical software that will optimize your gang sheet that saves you time, space, and money. All you need to do is upload your designs and let us take care of the rest. Whenever you're ready, all you need to do is drag and drop your files or browse for them. For this example, I've already got 4 lined up, so we'll drag and drop. These each will take a moment to upload, and as they do, they'll appear down below. As they appear, you'll see the width and height and quantity of each of them. If you'd like, we can go through and change them all. This will ultimately affect the order total down at the bottom. So, for example, if we wanted to change the size of Mom's, we can do that to 8.5. Awesome. We can also change the quantity here as well. Let's mess around and change the quantity and the size of all of these designs. Awesome, that has been done. Now there is something really important to note about these. Our gang sheets are only so large. We can't go past 22. So if you try to input anything larger than 22 inches, it won't allow you to go up, but it will allow you to go down, and the height will change in accordance to keep it at the best value as well as without losing any of the quality of your design. Let's go ahead and change this back. The width will be 10. The height will automatically adjust. Okay, whenever you're done, you can go ahead and proceed to your cart. From here, you can choose to continue shopping, or you can save your cart, view the carts you have, or check out. This area just shows you what you already have situated in your cart, as well as the sizes and quantity of each. Let's move on to checkout. From here, fill in your information, check out, and you're good to go. You'll have that gang sheet in 1 to 2 business days or 2 to 3, depending on your shipping method. Remember that our team will generate your gang sheet for you, and we want to thank you one last time for watching this tutorial.